Let's bring some bachata. attention, and I know you love these moments. I want you to give one really, really big applause to the one lady. Well, we're all here, and we'll make sure that all these events happen. So give a really big applause. And she's probably now, really, I know you're used to this, right? You're used to this. This is your place to go. You're here maybe every week, or you dance here a lot. But please do appreciate what you have here. You have an amazing location. You have Norika with an amazing team, like the whole team. I really love seeing you all again. It's been 3 years since we were here, and we were saying it amongst each other. You guys have improved so much since the last time we were here. We're super impressed. I hope you keep going like this, and I hope you keep supporting the events. You're just doing an amazing job. So thank you so much for having us here. Let's have one big applause for the DJs of tonight. Yes.
Bye.